Hey guys, it's the Hungry Dad here. If you want to learn how to make some creamy, delicious scalloped potatoes just like these, come check out my video. Don't forget to subscribe and follow. Here we go, let's get this made. Hi, let's make some scalloped potatoes. Here's the things you're going to need. You're going to need 7 medium potatoes, some black pepper, some mushroom soup, some onion powder, some table salt, some butter, some fresh garlic, 3 cups of milk. Peel your potatoes. And then you're going to want to slice them like this, about a 1/2 inch thick. Just like so. Nice slices. Slice your onions. Slice them into nice thin rings, just like this. You'll understand after. Dice up some fresh garlic. Make sure you're dicing it nice and fine. Mix 1 can of mushroom soup into your 3 cups of milk like so. A 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. A teaspoon of onion powder. A chunk of garlic butter. Rip it up like so. Toss it right in. Mix, mix, mix. Start layering your potatoes in a nice glass pan like so. Then take your onion rings and spread them across the top of the layer like this. We build it layer by layer. Then you need some fresh garlic, sprinkle it on just like so. Then we build our next layer of potatoes. Then onions and garlic. Follow the same process till the whole thing is full. You pour your milk, soup, and butter mixture over top like this. Make sure it's all covered. And put your lid on. Place it in the oven at 350 degrees for an hour and a half. Then 1 hour later, take them out the oven. Then you serve and enjoy. There you have it, scalloped potatoes.